और यहाँ आपको बराह रास्त लिए चलते हैं, जहाँ पर पाकिस्तान और कजाकिस्तान के दरमियान मुफाहमती याददाश्तों और मुआहदों पर दस्तखत की तकरीब जारी है।
In addition to the joint declaration, 37 agreements and MOUs have been signed between the two sides. Out of these, 19 documents will be exchanged between the two sides. First, MOU on cooperation in the field of petroleum, mining, and geosciences will be exchanged by His Excellency Mr. Muhammad Ishaq Dar, Deputy Prime Minister and Foreign Minister of Pakistan, and Mr. Serik Yumungaren, Deputy Prime Minister and Minister of Economy of Kazakhstan. Second, MOU on joint deployment in the United Nations peacekeepings will be exchanged by Khwaja Muhammad Asif, Minister of Defense of Pakistan, and Mr. Durin Kosanov, Minister of Defense of Kazakhstan. Third, treaty on extradition will be exchanged by Mr. Taral Chaudhary, Minister of State for Interior and Narcotics Control of Pakistan, and Mr. Berik Aisalov, Prosecutor General of the Republic of Kazakhstan. Fourth, MOU on cooperation in maritime affairs will be exchanged by Mr. Mohammad Junaid Anwar, Minister for Maritime Affairs of Pakistan, and Nurlan Jukabov, Chief Executive Officer from the Kazakhstan side. Fifth, transit trade agreement will be exchanged by Mr. Jam Kamal, Minister of Commerce from Pakistan, and Mr. Arman, Minister of Trade and Integration from Kazakhstan. Sixth, agreement on mutual administration for assistance in custom matters will be exchanged by Mr. Muhammad Aurangzeb, Minister for Finance from Pakistan, and Mr. Serik Yumungaren, Deputy Prime Minister and Minister of National Economy of Kazakhstan. Seventh, MOU for cooperation in railway sector will be exchanged by Mr. Muhammad Hanif Abbasi, Minister of Railways from Pakistan, and Mr. Nur Sultan Suranbayev, Minister of Transport of Kazakhstan. May I now invite Mr. Rana Muhammad Tanveer, Minister for Food and National Security from Pakistan, and Mr. Serik Yumungaren, Deputy Prime Minister and Minister of Economy from Kazakhstan, for exchange of two documents. One is Agreement on Cooperation in Plant Protection, and second is Agreement on Cooperation in the field of veterinary medicine. Number 10, MOU for cooperation in artificial intelligence and digital development will be exchanged by His Excellency Mr. Muhammad Ishaq Dar, Deputy Prime Minister and Foreign Minister of Pakistan, and Mr. Siyasat Noor Beg, Minister of Science and Technology of Kazakhstan. MOU on mutual cooperation in the field of healthcare will be exchanged by Syed Mustafa Kamal, Federal Minister for National Health Services from Pakistan, and Mr. Serik Yumangarin, Deputy Prime Minister and Minister for National Economy of Kazakhstan. MOU for news exchange between APP and Republican State TV of Kazakhstan will be exchanged by Mr. Ataullah Tarar, Minister for Information and Broadcasting of Pakistan, and Ms. Roshan Kajabayev, Director General TV and Radio Complex of the President of Kazakhstan. MOU in the field of climate change and environmental protection will be exchanged by Dr. Musaddiq Malik, Minister for Climate Change and Environmental Coordination of Pakistan, and Mr. Nurlan Suranbayev, Minister of Transport of the Republic of Kazakhstan. MOU for cooperation between Al-Farabi, Kazakh National University, and Ministry of Federal Education and Professional Training of Pakistan will be exchanged by Mr. Khalid Maqbool Siddiqui, Minister for Federal Education of Pakistan, and Mr. Siyasat Noor Beg, Minister for Science and Higher Education. MOU on banking cooperation for regulation and development of financial markets will be exchanged by Mr. Jameel Ahmed, Governor, State Bank of Pakistan, and Mr. Yerjan Kistafin, the Ambassador of Kazakhstan. Action Plan on Cooperation in the Field of Culture and Humanitarian Collaboration will be exchanged by Mr. Aurangzeb Khan Khichi, Minister for National Heritage and Culture of Pakistan, and Mr. Siyasat Noor Beg, Minister for Science and Higher Education of Kazakhstan. MOU between KTZ Express of Kazakhstan and National Logistics Cell of Pakistan will be exchanged by Major General Farukh Shahzad Rao, Director General NLC, and Mr. Tolghat Aldabek, Chairman Management Board of Kazakhstan. MOU between the Ministry of Artificial Intelligence and Digital Development of Kazakhstan and Pakistan Virtual Assets Regulatory Authority will be exchanged by Mr. Bilal bin Saqib, Minister of State of Pakistan, and Mr. Kistafin, the Ambassador of Kazakhstan. MOU on cooperation in information exchange and professional development between the Joint Stock Aktau International Company of Commercial Seaport of Kazakhstan and Karachi Port Maritime Administration will be exchanged by Rear Admiral Shahid Ahmed, Chairman, Karachi Port Trust, and Mr. Nur Sultan Soranbayev, Minister of Transport of the Republic of Kazakhstan. In addition to these documents, 19 documents which have been exchanged, following documents have been signed. 20, Agreement for Cooperation in Combating Crimes. 21, Mutual Cooperation Agreement between Sokhan University of Kazakhstan and National University of Modern Languages of Pakistan. 22, MOU between Pakistan Agriculture Research Council and Kazakh Scientific Research Institute for crop production for the exchange of genetic resources of agricultural crops. 23, MOU for cooperation in the field of broadcasting between Khabar Agency of Kazakhstan and Pakistan Television. 24, MOU between the Autonomous Cluster Fund Astana Hub and Ignite National Technology Fund of Pakistan. 25, MOU between Satbayev National Research Technical University and National University of Science and Technology of Pakistan. 26, MOU on cooperation in cotton research and development of Central Cotton Committee Multan and Agriculture Experimental Section of Cotton and Melon Growing, Turkestan region of Kazakhstan. 27, MOU for cooperation of sister city relationship between Faisalabad and Shymkent. 28, MOU between Astana Medical University of Kazakhstan and King Edward Medical University of Pakistan. 29, MOU between Astana Medical University of Kazakhstan and University of Health Sciences, Lahore. 30th, MOU between Astana IT University of Kazakhstan and Ghulam Isa Khan Institute of Technology of Pakistan. Okay. 31, MOU for establishment of Ahmad Yasavi Research Center of the International Islamic University, Islamabad. 32, MOU for establishment of Al-Farabi Center at Quaid-e-Azam University, Pakistan. 33, MOU between the Foreign Policy Research Institute of Kazakhstan and Institute of Strategic Studies, Islamabad. 34, MOU for establishment of Pakistan-Kazakhstan Sports Center, Dostik. 35, MOU between Pakistan and Kazpost. 36, Memorandum of Cooperation between National Academy of Performing Arts of Pakistan and Ministry of Culture and Information of Kazakhstan. And 37, Program for Implementation of the Agreement between Kazakh Institute of Standardization and Metrology and Pakistan Standards and Quality Control. With the signing of these agreements, may I now request the Honorable Prime Minister of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan for his remarks.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Excellency and my very dear brother President Qasim Jomart Tokayev, President of the Republic of Kazakhstan, and very honorable members of delegation from Kazakhstan, Deputy Prime Minister of Pakistan, Mohammad Ishaq Dar, honorable federal ministers and government officials, Government of Pakistan, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning. Your Excellency, let me once again welcome you and your wonderful delegation from the core of my heart, and your visit to Pakistan is a source of great inspiration and encouragement and happiness, not only for the people of Pakistan, for my government and myself personally. And after 23 years, Kazakh president is visiting Pakistan means a lot to us. We had very useful and productive meetings since morning, and just now we have had this signing ceremony of 37 MOUs. And knowing you personally, Mr. President, you believe in action and implementation. I have no doubt that you will make sure that these MOUs are converted into agreements, and then its implementation phase as early as possible. And I want to assure you, on my behalf, to work with you very closely to ensure speedy implementation of these MOUs. And I have no doubt that if we are able to make these MOUs a reality, our economic, our trade, our cultural relations will go notches higher. Excellency, as I said earlier, I'd like to reiterate again that you are a very serious-minded politician, a very accomplished diplomat who has, over these decades, not only international exposure, but you have really done wonders for your country. And today, I'd like to warmly congratulate you on being conferred upon the Nishan-e-Pakistan. This honor reflects our deep appreciation of your visionary leadership and your outstanding contribution to strengthening the close and friendly ties between our two brotherly countries. I would also like to congratulate you on accepting this invitation, being member of Board of Peace under President Trump's leadership. And let us hope and pray to Allah Almighty that through our joint efforts, we will be successful in bringing long-lasting peace in Gaza, its reconstruction, and of course, make the two-state solution a reality as soon as possible. Your Excellency, today marks a historic moment in our relationship. We have agreed to establish a strategic partnership between our two brotherly nations to pursue the shared objectives of peace, progress, and prosperity. We have discussed this morning. I'd like to again reiterate this important point that Allah Almighty has blessed Kazakhstan with infinite natural resources. And you are one of the leading country in the world in the field of mining minerals and exporting it, along with petroleum products, oil and gas. And Pakistan is also blessed with infinite natural resources, great human minds, and very hard-working population. Unfortunately, our trade volume is just meager $250 million during the last year. And this does not reflect not only the strength of our friendship, but also the potential of the two countries. As I said earlier on, Your Excellency, let us make a commitment that we will take up our trade volume to $1 billion in the next 1 year. And today we have this joint business forum where we would both encourage Pakistani and Kazakhstan business community to come forward and invest in joint ventures. Our investment portfolio is almost negligible, and there is great potential again on both sides. And I think with our joint efforts, we will be able to make significant progress in this behalf. Excellency, we have agreed to the Belarus, Russia, Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, Afghanistan, Pakistan transport corridor to enhance our regional connectivity. And we have also offered to your great country full access to Pakistan's transit infrastructure and seaports facilities. Your Excellency, as I've already said, that in energy you have great opportunities both in Kazakhstan and Pakistan, and our collaboration will be a win-win situation. Your Excellency, in the field of culture, in the field of information, again, there is so much to talk about, write, and discuss. And again, in this field, I think both the countries will have great opportunities in times to come. Pakistan, Your Excellency, regards Kazakhstan as our strategic and one of the most valued partner in Central Asia. And I'm absolutely confident that with our today's collaboration, discussion, with the productive, encouraging outcomes, and this signing ceremony will not only reinvigorate our relations, but give a huge impetus to our bilateral ties. In your speech, in our bilateral meeting today, you gave a wonderful roadmap for our future cooperation. And this could only come from a visionary leader like you, who, as said earlier on, has great experience, great expertise and knowledge through your various positions you have served in the last many decades. Your Excellency, in your national anthem, your country has mentioned the son of freedom and the struggle of the people for the right to freedom and sovereignty. We deeply respect these ideals, as we also share the same commitment to freedom, dignity, self-respect for our nations. Today, as our two nations